What's up, everybody? So today's video is going to be a little bit different than normal. Unless you're an absolute nerd like me, I am a licensed CPA. This is what I do. I do finance all the time. Personal finances can be a bit boring. So I am going to shoot jugs of gasoline, and it's going to be awesome. Just to spice things up a little bit, make personal finance fun. My name is Greg Acton. I am a CPA, and I am on a mission to make personal finances fun. So help me out by hitting that subscribe button. Share this video with a friend. I want to reach 100,000 subscribers by July 2021, and that is just a few short months away. So if you could do me a favor, subscribe. We'll keep this content coming. So I have bought 3 houses in the last 3 years, and I plan on buying a house every single year until I at least have 10 houses. Now, if I had an average home price between 100 and 150,000, yes, I live in a small rural place, so houses do go that cheap. Then with 10 houses, I would have $1 million to $1.5 million in debt, and I do not want that. I like to avoid debt as much as possible. So in this video, I'm going to break down how I am using rental income to absolutely destroy my debt as quickly as possible. Let's go shoot stuff. All right, so a few weeks back, I built 3 cardboard houses because that's how many houses I own right now. And I was going to fill balloons full of gasoline, hang them above it, and shoot it with a bow and arrow and drop all the gas onto these houses. It was going to be awesome, and in theory, it was going to work. When I went out there, though, I got these latex balloons. I started filling them with gasoline, and turns out gasoline eats latex super fast. So I was filling up this balloon, and the gas popped, and it fell all over my leg. Luckily, I was not near a fire, so I had to go back to the drawing board and do some thinking. And then, light bulb. I thought milk jugs. Milk jugs could hold gasoline because it's not going to eat through the milk jugs as quickly. And instead of shooting it with a bow and arrow, I'll just bust out the trusty old shotgun and shoot the milk jugs full of gasoline with a shotgun. All right, so round 2. This time, built 3 more houses to have the houses. Now, and I built an apartment complex. I know, it's just a box, but hey, it's an apartment complex because what is life without goals? I think it'd be awesome to eventually own an apartment complex. So I built these things. I have this wonderful frame right here. I'm going to hang milk jugs full of gasoline and shoot them. We'll see how this goes. All right, beautiful house number 1. This house I actually already have paid off, but I am putting it here to show you how quickly it can get paid off. So this house right here cost $78,000. I know, crazy dirt cheap. It was awesome. I am pumped that I got it. And I am going to write $78,000 right here, and we're going to do the same thing for each of the other houses. I'm going to write how much I bought them for, and then we are going to burn that debt down. Oh yeah. All right, now with all of our debt numbers on the houses, so $78,000, $185,000, $225,000, and for this wonderful apartment complex, $1 million, I am going to show you now how I am going to use passive income to absolutely destroy this debt. But first, we need to fill up the jugs full of gasoline. All right, now that I have my jugs full of gasoline, it's time to hang them from the rafters, so I'm going to do that real quick. All right, so now we are all done hanging the jugs of gasoline. I have income from my CPA license. I have a full-time job, and that can slow burn my debt. But passive income can release gasoline onto a flame and just absolutely destroy the debt. So I'm going to start a few fires by these houses so you can see that I can slow burn that. But then we're going to make it rain by shooting the jugs of gasoline, that wonderful passive income. That gasoline represents passive income. It's going to fall onto these houses and light it up in flames. Each of these jugs of gasoline represent passive income streams that I have. This first one is an Airbnb that averages about $1,000 a month. This one, my first long-term rental, it gets $1,200 a month, and this jug right over here, second long-term rental, $1,500 a month in rent. So I am going to shoot these passive income balls. They're going to fall down and light these houses on fire. Let's do this. Wow! That was wild. That is how you destroy debt, by releasing passive income. That was insane. That was a little bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. As you can tell from the surprise in my voice in this video, things didn't go exactly as planned. I was going to shoot each jug one by one, releasing the passive income onto these houses to burn. But I do notice right here that there is a jug full of passive income just sitting there. And you know what they say, no passive income left behind. Destroy your debt by releasing the power of passive income. Get that debt to go down. You're gonna love it. Wow, that was surprising. All right, as stated before, my mission is to teach personal finance in a fun and engaging way and hopefully help people along the way. So if you have a question on any personal finance topic at all, please hit me up in the comments section. I would love to reach into those and answer them in a fun way and hopefully with some more gasoline, because heck, that was a lot of fun. That was absolutely insane. I expected it to blow up, but I didn't expect it to go that big on one shot. Like that was nuts.